Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Linux Temple. And last time I made a video about how to install the latest Fedora 34 on your computer, and some of my viewers were asking that they have experienced a very slow speed while downloading and operating these packages on Fedora 34. And to fix this problem, I'm here with this video. As we know, dnf is the default package manager of Fedora, and it is quite slow and sluggish. Operating the system, downloading the packages takes much more time than expected, and now we are going to fix this problem. And also there are lots of things that needs to be done after the installation of Fedora, and for this I've made a separate video on it. Please watch this video as well. The link is in the description. And to fix this problem, we are going to run two different commands from the terminal. The first command will let the Fedora to choose the fastest server to download the packages, and the second command will let dnf, that is the Fedora server, to download multiple packages at the same time, which will significantly download packages in the possible fastest speed. So let's get started. So here I have these two commands, so I'm simply going to copy this and paste it on the terminal, and I'll be leaving these commands in the description also, so that it will be easier for you to copy and paste. So go to menu and open the terminal. So here's the terminal, and I'm going to paste this command. Hit enter and enter your password. Now this will select the fastest server for downloading the packages. And next, the other command, I'm simply going to copy and paste. Hit enter. This command has set maximum parallel downloads 10. That means we can download maximum 10 packages at the same time, and this will significantly speed up the dnf, the Fedora package manager. And guys, this was for today. I hope this method will work pretty fine for everyone, and if you experience some problems, please comment down below. I'll try to solve. So I request you to support my channel by simply liking this video, subscribing our channel, and press the bell icon for more Linux tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.